Now I invite our chief guest, Chairman of Ahmedabad branch, CA Fenil Shah, to come forward, and along with CCM, CA Aniket Talati. So good morning all, and I wish all the members and colleagues present here with social distancing if you want, you can. So good morning all, wish you all a happy CA day, and I congratulate all the members for this 72nd foundation day of our profession, which is our proud. So now I invite our chairman CA Fenil Shah to hoist the flag. So.
सुप्तेषु जागृति य एष सुप्तेषु जागृति कामं 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 कामंशो पुरुषो निर्विमाणः निर्विमाणः तदेव शुक्लं तदब्रह्म तदब्रह्म
And we salute our profession, which makes us all dignified. And we are proud to be a chartered accountant. Since it's a difficult situation currently, and we all are able to, led by our visionary chairman. Now I request him to say his opening words or his remarks on this CA Day.
Thank you. The Central Council member, C. Aniket Talati ji, C. Harit Dhariwal, Vice Chairman, C. Vishen Shah, Secretary, C. Rahul Maliwal, Treasurer, C. Hitesh Pomal, Regional Council member, C. Chintan Patel, Regional Council member, C. Vikas Jain, Regional Council member, C. Sunil Sanghvi, and C. Anjali Choksi, the Managing Committee members of Ahmedabad branch, Mr. Harsh Parekh, representing the team Vikasa, and all the members. I welcome you all on this 72nd CA Day celebrations. I think so this is for the very first time that we are physically present here, but apart from your willingness, you couldn't attend and you are watching this particular flag hosting online. In this morning, I would like to address you all, members and students, in a manner that earlier we were saying that let's care for nature, let's try to save nature. But you can say that when you see the present scenario, everything has changed and nature is caring for us. And if we don't care for nature, then you can understand the repercussions of the same as we are facing right now. Now Vishen bhai might be wondering that Fenil bhai ne environment day की speech तो शुरू नहीं कर दी. No, it's not so. Being a chartered accountant, I can very well understand that today is a CA day. But why I give the reference of nature today, then I would like to compare our profession or our economy to the nature. And in that, when you focus on nature, one of the very important element of nature is tree. Right? And tree is such an element that because of which you can say that every other elements of economy survives. If I compare this, our profession, to a tree, then in that situation you can see, friends, that tree is a profession in which our mother institute is the alma mater, the branch, you can say the trunk. All the members are the branches and leaves, and the students are the flowers, the benefit of which we all receive. So, friends, when you see the benefits of this tree, when you get the fruits of this tree, it is not because of today's effort, or it is not because of our effort, but it is because of the watering and efforts poured by all the members, all the past presidents and presidents since here. So I request you all that let us come together and with solidarity, we enjoy this day, right? And again, I wish you a happy CA Day. And we need to understand the importance of two mothers. One, our mother nature, and another is our mother institute, ICAI. And friends, in the new normal to come, in my opinion, first, our upgraded professional, upgraded new is very important. Second, adopting to technology is very important. And the third is, from today, the new code of ethics has been implemented, revised code of ethics. Understanding that and implementing that with true letter and spirit will be very important. So again, on this CA Day, I wish you all, the members, students and public at large, a very happy CA Day.
Namaskar. On this 1st of July 2020, I wish all the chartered accountants and students a very happy CA Day. On this CA Day, ICAI has laid out its 7 important facets in which we partner as nation building. These 7 facets are to formulate world-class accounting standards, to regulate the profession, to authenticate financial statements, to educate the young and the skilled of the youth, to propagate best practices, to integrate the country, and most importantly, conciliate between the government and private enterprise. I wish all of us a very happy CA Day. Let's further strengthen our resolve to become partners in nation building and strengthen probity in public life. We are the conscious keepers of the nation. I wish all of you a very happy Chartered Accountants Day. Jai Hind, Jai ICAI.
So good morning all and happy CA Day. Our route are started from our first president, Kapadia sir, and now we are enjoying fruits with our true leaders and current president and all the past presidents of ICAI, and maybe future presidents will lead us. And for that, the hard work which has been put in, we all have to do the same, and the success will be with us. With this, we are going to build a great nation. And as the GST day is also today, so I wish all a happy CA Day and happy GST Day. Thank you, friends. So now I request our regional council members, CA Vikas Jain, CA Hitesh Pomal and CA Chintan Patel, to address the gatherings on this CA Day. Thank you.
Very good morning, friends, and we wish you, I, Hitesh Pomal, Regional Council member, I wish all the members and the students a very happy 72nd CA Day. My best wishes on this occasion to all the members and all the students. Thank you very much.
Good morning, I am CA Vikas Jain, Regional Council member of WIRC. I wish all the fellow members of the ICAI and all the students a very happy CA Day. I wish that all the chartered accountants and students prosper in their life, both in personal as well as on all other fronts, like anything. And I am sure that this COVID will also bring many opportunities within the challenge that we are seeing. Thank you once again.
Good morning all of you, wishing you happy CA Day.
One more. 1, 2, 3.
Good morning all of you, wishing you happy CA Day. I am CA Chintan Patel along with my regional council member. We are wishing you a very good CA professional day. See, as we understand that the CA is a professionalism, And in addition with what my colleagues has spoken, that we need to ensure that we have to abide by the professional ethics. So as we all are aware that ICI has started and today is the first day of a new code of ethics. So I request all of you to go through it and ensure that everybody abide by the standards which are laid by ICI, and that standard will ensure the reliability and credibility of the CA profession higher and higher. One more thing is that basically we need to also ensure that we are being taken as the financial advisor and we are the backbone of the Indian economy. So that also has a lot of credibility on our shoulder. So I wish each one of you, let us come together, join together and ensure that we help the country in that nation. Thank you so much. Happy CA Day once again.
Now I request our dynamic Vice Chairman to address the participants on this 72nd CA Day. Harit Bhai Dariwal.
A very good morning to everyone, respected seniors and all the office bearers who are here. I wish you all a very happy CA Day. I think we are all missing you in presence here, but you all are with us only. And let us take our pledge today to serve our profession for even better now. And as Modi ji said yesterday, that let us have more precautions now, maintain the social distancing, wear masks, and we as chartered accountants have a huge responsibility going forward now, not only to our clients but also to our own profession. So let us do our best in the coming days. Wish you a very happy CA Day again and proud to be a chartered accountant. Thank you.
Now I request Treasurer of Ahmedabad branch, CA Rahul Maliwal, to address the viewers.
Wishing all the members happy 72nd CA Day. We wish that everybody should be prosperous in this particular time, and in this pandemic time we wish you should be all aware with regard to the regulations and be in charge and charge up with the new things that are going to be come. Thank you so much.
Now I request CA Ganesh Nadar, immediate past chairman of the branch, to address the viewers.
Good morning, everybody. Dear students and my members, my colleagues, my seniors, wishing you a happy CA Day. You are all aware, everything has changed. From March 22nd onwards, we have changed the manner in which we are thinking, the manner in which we are working, and believe me, this is going to stay for a long time. So right thing is, you get accustomed and you observe the new ways of living. Maybe technology, maybe social distancing, or maybe the life of wearing masks and communicating with each other. With this, I would wish you all a happy CA Day, happy Technology Day, and remember to change yourself. Thank you.
When we remember R. Shiva Bogam, first lady chartered accountant, and when we see our lady chartered accountant in managing committee, CA Anjali Choksi, we have some similarities, and I invite her to address the viewers.
Thank you Vishan for the kind words. A very good morning to my dear CA members, senior members, women members and my dear students. Wish you all a very happy CA Day. Let's all serve this profession and wish that we achieve year by year, this profession achieves newer heights. I request all of you to follow code of ethics and expect and perform to bring this profession to newer and newer heights. Thank you all. Stay happy and blessed.
Now I invite our young as well as senior managing committee member, CA Sunil Sanghvi, to address the viewers.
Good morning, senior and friends. Wishing you all happy CA Day. Please try to work from home as much as you can. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.
I am thankful to all, and specifically to the chairman of Ahmedabad branch who led us in this difficult time. Also a visionary Central Council member, C. Aniket Talatiji, who is with us and whose presence built a confidence in all of us. So thank you very much, sir, for being present here, and all the managing committee members and regional council members, CA Hitesh Pomal, CA Vikas Jain, CA Chintan Patel, Vice Chairman of the branch Harit Dariwal, Treasurer Rahul Maliwal, Managing Committee members CA Sunil Sanghvi, Anjali Choksi and Ganesh Nadar. So friends, thank you very much and my best wishes to all of you for successful years to come. Thank you very much. Thank you.